2013 Hyundai Elantra. Rear brake pad and rotor replacement. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do here, let's go ahead and get a 14mm wrench and get these caliper bolts off. That one loose. Go and get this one loose at the bottom. Alright, once you've got the two caliper bolts off, go and use a screwdriver. Just push this caliper off here. So on this particular year, something that you'll see more and more of anyhow, you're going to need a caliper tool that will twist the piston in. We can get the right size here. That one don't look too bad. So we use an adapter like this, and we'll get it set up and I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so on your tool here, you're just going to add the adapter to the end, and we'll go ahead and get it positioned in the caliper here to push that piston in. Alright, once it's bottom out, we'll go ahead and just push it off to the side here and work on getting this bracket off. It's going to be two 14mm bracket bolts. Get those loose, we'll take it out the rest of the way with the Milwaukee here. Alright, now we'll go ahead and slip our bracket out. If you can see here, rust got the best of this one. You see, even just trying to disassemble our brake pad has come apart completely. But that's okay, because we got new ones. Alright, so next thing, we'll go ahead and get this rotor off here. We have to use the impact driver to get these bolts loose. Loose. Alright, once you got the hub all cleaned up there, we'll go ahead and get our screws put back in. Get our rotor on, and we'll work on getting the bracket put back on. Alright, that's on good there. Alright, put our two 14mm caliper bracket bolts back in. Alright, get our pads installed. Alright, and once you've got that all cleaned up, your guides all greased up, your pads installed, we'll go ahead and slip the caliper back on. Get our two 14mm bolts here. Go ahead and get those snugged up. All right. This is what we're after. If you're replacing your brakes on your Hyundai Elantra, that's the procedure and the tools needed. Thanks for watching.